Okay, hello again everybody and welcome back to my channel, and this is part 2 of the Termux ethical hacking series with Android. And without further ado, just open up your Termux and let's get the initial phases done. So every time you open Termux you need to do this. You need to type in pkg space upgrade and follow that by pkg update. So this takes a while if you haven't upgraded in a very long time. You should always do this to keep your packages and everything up to date so that you don't face any errors, because all code is new and your packages might be old because the Play Store version is not always up to date. So yeah, pkg update and pkg upgrade, and you can do the same with apt update, apt upgrade, but that doesn't seem to make a huge difference. So yeah, that's about it for the upgrading purposes. You can also install whatever packages you want using apt. So the syntax to that is apt space install space whatever the package name is. So let's just run package update, and this does not take much time. Right, so here we are, and right, so apt upgrade, and you can change the commands with 2 ampersand signs, and you can type in apt update. So this also does not take much time, and I really don't know the difference, so better off doing apt first. Alright, so that's about it for this video, and thank you guys for watching.